बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So this is DIY craft video signing in. And I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are super amazing and most beautiful and very stunning ideas for you guys. So I hope so guys you like these denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are super trending and very beautiful ideas for you guys. If you like this video, then click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very pretty and very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. Hope so guys you all are doing well. These are very pretty, these are very stunning and very unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super incredible and very unique and very amazing ideas for you guys, so you must try these denim jeans recycling craft ideas at home. So viewers, follow for more details, keep subscribing my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very amazing and these are very unique denim jeans ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz.